Okay, so as I said before, guys, this one will be. Some of this is very possibly on the desk. So, Chris, I get you to be brave and tell me what V dot U is.
Okay, V dot U, it's -3 times 2 plus -6 times 4 plus negative, or not negative, 8 times 5.
Good.
All
Stop
over.
it. Okay, stop it there.
Okay.
That's all I needed. All right, Tori, can you be brave and give me what? Say here, please. U dot U, go ahead, Tori.
U dot U, I just did like 2 squared plus -6 squared plus 8 squared.
Very good. Okay, now if you don't like that, what she just did was, it's the same thing multiplied by itself, right? So 2 times 2, -6 times -6, and 8 times 8. All right, now, Matt, what is this U on the other side? Guys, please stay with me here, stay with me here. Sorry, Matt.
You just use like the vector.
Yeah, this just still stays as your vector, right? So this is going to stay. If you remember what my projection was, and we did this a few days ago, it's going to be like a vector in this direction, right? So it's actually going to be a vector, the answer, all right?
Are you going to ask us for that?
No. All right, Nathan. Yeah. Can you be calculator boy for me, please, and tell me what 3 times 2 plus 6 times -4 plus 8 times 5 is? And what's your denominator, please?
104.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring that to lowest terms. So I'm going to call that 5 over 52.
Did you want us to do that?
52.
5 over 26.
5 over 26.
Just wait. I'm dividing by 2, aren't I?
Divided by 4.
Why?
Oh, well, oh yeah, you're doing it, never mind. Yeah, you're good.
Nobody's roasted. I don't even know what roasted means, so. It means, okay, stop, I don't want to hear it.
With the spirit?
Insulted.
Oh, no. Now, someone said to me, Mr. Sadler, do I want fractions to be in lowest terms? I think you should probably know the answer to that before you ask it. Okay, fractions are always in lowest terms. Always, always, always. Now, is this somewhat clear what just happened there? I hope. Okay, let's keep moving. This is something that is new.
Oh. I don't like these things.
It's called the triple scalar products. Okay, the key. All right. All right, so triple scalar product. I'm going to underline the key word to this, which is scalar, okay? What is a scalar? Just a reminder here, what's a scalar? Yes?
Guidance in that direction.
Yeah, so it's just going to be a number, it's going to be a scalar. So if you do the triple scalar product and you end up with a vector, there's a problem, okay? It shouldn't be that way. So I'm going to write out what this is. This has several applications. But the main one we'll be dealing with. All right, guys, this is, I know it doesn't bother you, but when I turn around and you guys start talking, it's difficult for me. Okay, so please don't. Thank you. This has several applications, including the volume of a parallel pipe bed. I hope I said that right. Parallel pipe bed, which is a 3D parallelogram. We're going to say the order of operations are to cross before you dot. so the result is a scalar. Okay? Okay, so here we go. All right. Now, this is going to be a relatively big question. Not really. I mean, there's two parts to it. That's all it is. It's basically doing our warm-up, right? Okay? It's two parts of the same thing. So do not be intimidated by this.
So do you do this for all parallel pipe?
So if I were to say to you, find the volume of a parallel pipe bed on your assignment, and it's in 3D, if there's a 3D one, you definitely do it like that. I think on last year's test,
But
I actually
number
gave you
4, it says ABC is a parallelogram with.
parallelogram, isn't there? Is it a 3D one?
Yeah.
If it's a
Very
3D
good,
one, use
2,
this.
4, 5.
Yeah, if it's a 3D one, do it like this.
So it's supposed to be parallel pipe.
Yeah.
Is that parallelogram?
Well, it's just parallel pipe bed is a 3D parallelogram, so yes. Let's just agree to agree. You agree to agree?
It's more parallel.
Yeah, they want us to be on the same side here. The truth and
I'm
justice.
just trying to figure this
I want us to be on
out.
the same side. I want us to be enemies here. I want us to be on the side of truth and justice.
I'm just trying to figure things out.
That's
All
why
right.
I'm wearing a Batman shirt.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Example 3. So that's the same. So do this first. So this one first. All right, so here's example 3. I'm going to pause and let you guys try this out. Example 3 says, if you Okay, so a question on your test could very easily be like this. I'll label it like that. Or I could say possibly that there's 3 vectors, find the volume of the parallelogram or parallelepiped or whatever I want to call it, okay? So I want you guys to do this for me right now. Before you start, Hannah, can you be brave and tell me what the order of operations is? What are we doing first? The cross you're doing first. Okay, so before you get too far into this question, do it backwards. One that's so negative. I'm sorry, guys. You're wonderful. I don't know why I'm yelling at you guys. You're wonderful. Okay, but make sure you do the cross product first. Okay. All right, I'm gonna pause in the video.